To delete your WordPress website from Hostinger, follow these steps. Back up your website. Before deleting your website, it's advisable to back up your files and database in case you need them later. You can use Hostinger's backup tool or a plugin like Updraft Plus to create a full backup. Delete WordPress files using File Manager. Log into Hostinger. Access your Hostinger account. Navigate to File Manager. From the dashboard, go to Hosting and click on File Manager under the relevant hosting account. Locate your WordPress files. Open the public_HTML directory. Delete files. Select all the files and folders related to your WordPress website and click Delete. Delete WordPress database. Go to hPanel. Return to Hostinger's dashboard and navigate to Databases. Open PHPMyAdmin. Click on PHPMyAdmin and select the WordPress database. Delete the database. Click on Operations, drop the database to delete it. Remove domain. If you want to unlink your domain from Hostinger, go to Domains in Hostinger's dashboard and manage or remove it.